Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your internet connection and its speed on your Mac computer. So if you want to check if the internet is working or not, the first thing what you need to do is you need to go to Finder. Within the Finder, switch to Applications and open Utilities and open the terminal. So within the terminal you need to enter the website with ping command. So ping and say google.com, and it will send continuous pings to the google.com. And once you have enough ping commands, what you can do is you can key press Control and C, which will close the ping, and it will display how many packets have been transferred and how many packets have been received and packet lost. So right now you can see 0 packet loss, that means the data is being sent correctly and the internet is working. Now this is one way to check the internet. Now the second way is open the Safari browser and type in any website, say suppose fast.com, which will give us the information like what is the speed of the network. So right now I have connected with the 40 Mbps speed, and you can see the 40 Mbps is appearing. And there are some other websites as well like speedtest.net. So you can also go and check on this website what is the speed. In this way you can check your internet connection on your Mac OS using online websites as well as internally using the terminal. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.